Hello, my name is Dr. Gershman and I'm the director of the Institute for Advanced Urology in Los Angeles at Cedars-Sinai Medical Towers. And I'm here to talk about a new procedure, Caverstem. Caverstem is the procedure that utilizes stem cells derived from bone marrow. A lot of people ask questions, why specifically bone marrow? The answer is that bone marrow harvests the best and most potent stem cells that can be used for treatment of erectile dysfunction. 52% of men in the United States are suffering from different forms of erectile dysfunction, and most of the current treatments, such as medications, injections, vacuum devices, and even surgeries, are only addressing the symptoms of this disease. Caverstem or stem cell injections are one of the first procedures that actually designed to treat the pathology and the underlying factors of erectile dysfunction and can be the permanent treatment for these conditions. In conclusion, I'm very happy to have Caverstem as the new procedure to treat erectile dysfunction in my patients. With a high percentage of success rate, I'm looking forward to expand this application to more people in my community and deliver this high quality treatment to patients that really need it.